up guys, it's AJ Alburo, and today I'm gonna be showing you like how the way I cook eggs in the microwave. So before before I start the instructions, you just have to read it. I'm not gonna explain it by telling you, but you just have to read the instructions on how I cook the eggs. So one thing that about that egg with the seasoning, and of course it's very delicious. And although you can do is just when you get the egg, then you crack it, then put it in a bowl, then you put it in a microwave, then put seasonings like to make it more delicious. So that's how it is guys when you cook eggs in the microwave. But for me, frying pans I'm not a type of guy that cooks eggs on frying pans, because sometimes there are oil or something that will get into my body. I don't want that one to happen. But today, this is the first cooking video, so I'm just gonna show you the rest of the clip. So enjoy guys. Alright guys, this is the egg that I have cooked on the microwave. So since this is the final one, so I'm gonna eat now. Alright guys, if you have enjoyed that video, please drop a like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also share this video to your friends so they will see how I did on my videos. And anyway, it's AJ and I'm out. Peace.